Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the basic Java interview question. Can abstract class have constructors in Java? You know abstract class? In an abstract class, can we have a constructor in Java? Yes, abstract class can declare and define constructor in Java. Since you cannot create instance of abstract class, constructors can only be called during constructor chaining. There is a process called constructor chaining. So when you create an object of the subclasses or concrete classes, so the base class constructors will be called. That is called constructor chaining. Please read more on constructor chaining. So now some interviewer might be asking you, what is the purpose of a constructor? If we cannot instantiate an abstract class, why do we need a constructor at all? Well, it can still be used to initialize the variables which are declared inside the abstract class and used by various concrete classes. So still we can use it. And if you don't provide any constructor in the abstract class, compiler will add default no argument constructor in abstract class. Without that, your subclass will not compile. So it's a mandatory. Either you can add or the compiler will add by default. I've written a very simple abstract class for demo purpose, and it has few variables, and I have a constructor. There is no compilation error if I have a constructor in the abstract class. During the interview, you might be thinking, why do I need a constructor? But please remember, abstract class can have a constructor and should have a constructor, and it is used to initialize the variables which is present in the abstract class. And there is a concrete class which is extending from this abstract class, and I am creating an object. The moment I create the object, my abstract class constructor will be called. Let's see this demo. I'm going to run this program in a debug mode so that we can see the constructor chaining. So I'm going to create the object. So the moment you create the object, it goes to the superclass constructor, that is abstract class constructor. This is called as constructor chaining. So it will call the superclass, then so it created the object and it calls a method. So this is how it works in constructor has been called in abstract class. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.